Hi everyone, my name is Eva Aguiluz. Today I'll be demonstrating the Kirby-Bauer method. This method is used to test how effective antibiotics are against bacteria. So for this experiment, I'll be using agar plate, triptych soy broth, sterile swabs, antibiotic disc, a disposal jar with isopropyl alcohol, and a forceps. First, we're going to divide the agar plate into 4 equal quadrants and label at the back of the petri dish with the date and sample information. So start by picking up the triptych soy broth. Gently remove the cup. Flame the opening to sterilize. Get a sterile swab. And dip the sterile swab into the soy broth. Remove any excessive liquid from the swab by pressing it gently against the side of the tube. Then flame again the tube and recap. Now let's inoculate the plate by gently pulling rotate the plate slightly without dipping the swab back into the cultured tube. Pull the swab again over the entire surface of the agar plate and repeat it 4 times. Dispose of the swab properly into the disposal jar without the alcohol. Now let's dip the forceps into the alcohol, tapping them into the rim of the jar to remove the excess alcohol. Flame them and allow to cool about 15 to 20 seconds. Using the sterile forceps, pick up the antibiotic disc and place it in the surface of the agar. Press it lightly to make sure that it's firmly placed. Pick another disc, the blank sterile disc. Press it lightly. Now let's work on the second agar plate and do the same procedure as we did from the first agar plate. Now let's divide the agar plate into 4 equal quadrants. Write the date. Now start by picking up the triptych soy broth. Flame it up. Pick up the swab. The sterile swab. Dip it into the triptych soy broth. Remove any excess liquid from the swab by pressing it gently on the side of the tube. Then flame again. And recap. Now let's inoculate the plate by gently pulling the swab back and forth across the entire surface. Rotate about 90 degrees. Pull the swab again over the entire surface of the agar and repeat it 4 times to ensure that the coverage is even. And dispose the swab properly into the disposal jar with alcohol. Now let's cover it. Now let's dip the forceps into the alcohol. Tap the rim of the jar to remove the excess alcohol. Flame them. And allow it to cool to 15 to 20 seconds. Pick up the antibiotic disc. Press lightly to make sure it's firmly in place. Dip the alcohol again, flame it, and allow it to cool for about 15 to 20 seconds. Pick up another disc, which is the bacitracin disc. Press it. So we are done working both with the agar plates. We'll turn them upside down. Incubate for 48 hours before we record and analyze the result. After the incubation, if you'll see the clear zone around some of the antibiotic discs, these are called zone of inhibition. And the larger the zone, the more effective the antibiotic is against the bacteria. So that's all for the Kirby method presentation. Thank you for watching, and God bless everyone.